All right. Next test. Kodiak power my fridge in my house. Full-size fridge. I don't know. About 5 feet tall, almost 6 feet tall fridge. Freezer. Refrigerator. Right now it's connected to the 120 volt for the house. I'm gonna disconnect it from there, reconnect it here, power it on, see if it can handle the load. Right now the fridge takes 6.5 amps at max load, it says. So it's at about 700 watts, something like that. All right. Plug into the Kodiak. Let's try this plug right here. All right. See, it's currently off. There's no light, right? Now we're gonna power on the Kodiak. It's pulling 1800 watts, 1900 watts, 1600 watts. Now it's only 170 watts. Battery's at 11.5 volts. It's pulling 14 amps. And now see, fridge is on. There's the light. Here's the freezer, and I can hear the spewing out cold air. I can hear it, feel it. Kodiak's still at full charge, a little less than full charge. 11.53 volts and 169 watts. But it did creep up to 1800 initially. Now it seems to be settled at 170 approximately. So there it is, portable solar generator powering the fridge. Guess I won't have to worry about anything during the next power outage. I should be good to go. This thing is not even close to being even a little bit empty. I'll let that run for about an hour. See how much taxing that has on the Kodiak. The refrigerator is still connected to the Kodiak. I'm also connected to some Vornado fan, 120 volt. Which says it's like 0.5 amps. So it shouldn't be much extra of a load for it. So I'm gonna do it at the same time. So. All right. Just went up to from 160 to 185. Fans on. So not much. It went from I think 14 amps to 16 amps. No, not that much. Even an amp. All right, let's turn on high or medium, and then high. Here's medium. Went up to 190 watts. 188, 190, about 16 amps. Now high turns up to 211, 18 amps total for the refrigerator and the fan combined. And my power and battery life or charge is not even 50%. So I'm pretty happy. So far with the Kodiak. If I can power a fridge and a fan and a little light, what more do I need? So I'm gonna let this run for about an hour. See what else I can plug into this.